Welcome. If you've ever needed to update a saved password in Google Chrome but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step process to edit any specific saved password using Chrome's built-in password manager. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your saved passwords are synced and ready to manage. Next, head to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance. Now, look for the section labeled Autofill. Under Autofill, you'll see an option called Passwords or Password Manager. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, Chrome displays a list of all the websites and apps where your passwords are saved. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the site whose password you want to update. Once you've found it, tap on the site entry. This will show you the details for that specific login, including your username and the masked password. Right beneath the password field, you'll see an Edit button. Click on Edit. For security, Chrome may prompt you to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now you're ready to make changes. You can update the username, change the password, or even add a note if you want to remember something specific about this login. Double-check that everything is correct. Once you've finished editing, hit Save. That's it. Your updated password is now securely stored, and Chrome will use it the next time you visit that site. Remember, keeping your passwords up to date is one of the best ways to stay secure online. If you ever need to manage more passwords or check for compromised credentials, Chrome's Password Manager has you covered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need a quick password update. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.